This video powered by our good friends at Craft Holsters. More about them in just a minute. We are here at NRAAM 2023 in the beautiful city of Indianapolis, Indiana. About to hit that show floor. Gonna check out some cool stuff. Gonna talk with some cool people. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. I had a chance to stop by and talk with Cody from Four Peak Imports, a new company that's importing some pretty cool stuff. Now, I apologize for having to do a voiceover with this video, but unfortunately, the audio messed up, and it was absolutely beyond repair. Anyway, Four Peak Imports is currently importing a variety of things, including rifles, pistols, and shotguns. I talked with Cody specifically about a neat little pistol from the Czech Republic, the Czech Weapons CSV-9. Now, interestingly enough, this is a striker fired, yeah, you heard that right, striker fired 9mm pistol. Obviously, it takes Glock magazines. It has a crossbolt safety and is fully ambidextrous, including the ability to have a right or left-handed charging handle. This pistol also has lots and lots of real estate for all your much needed accessories. Real quick, I need to give a shout out to Craft Holsters for helping out the channel with travel to NRAAM 2023. If you're not familiar with Craft Holsters, they make a huge variety of leather holsters for over 3,000 different types of handguns. I've owned Craft Holsters for some time now and currently have a holster for my Ruger Blackhawk on the way. So for your next holster, do yourself a favor and check out craftholsters.com. The CSV-9 appears to be very well built with very little polymer and plastic. Four Peak Imports is also working on adding some optics to their lineup, including red dot sights and LPVO scopes. We are going to have to keep an eye on this company, and it'll be exciting to see what all they do moving forward. That pretty much does it for this video. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.